What is up, YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. Jess Nichole here, and in today's video we are going to be doing a full body at home Pilates workout. Now this workout can be done absolutely anywhere. Pilates workouts are great for strengthening the core, strengthening the pelvic floor muscles, as well as improving your balance, your posture, and your overall flexibility. So today we're going to be working on firing up the core. We're also going to be doing a little bit of glute movement and even a little bit of arm and upper body workouts as well. Before we get started, make sure you follow me on Instagram at the Jess Nichole and my fitness page at Just Right Fitness. And with all that being said, let's go ahead and get started. Alrighty, my loves, coming onto your back, go ahead and scoot forward to the front of your mat and come on down to your backs. We're going to go into a tabletop position. So bring the knees up and the arms up, and we're going to start by tapping the opposite arm to the opposite foot. So right foot comes down and left arm extends back, and then both arms and legs down at the same time. Left and right, opposite, and extend both. So this is a great little warm up to start to engage your core. Each time your leg lowers, make sure that your back does not come off the ground. So keep that belly button to the spine, pressing the lower back into the mat. Tap, center, tap, center. We're going to keep this going for a few more reps. Just make sure you are breathing, inhaling and exhaling. Keep breathing, keep engaging your core. Tap, center, tap, center. Reach the arms over your head and then bring them back by the waist, lifting the shoulder blades off the mat. We're gonna go into our 100. So inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pump the arms, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you want to make this more challenging, extend both knees out. Otherwise, keep them in tabletop. Just keep going. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Do your best to keep pulling the shoulders off the mat, pulling the belly button right into your spine. We're almost there. Good. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Keep smiling through the pain. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 100. Perfect. Go ahead and drop your head down, reach the arms over your head once again, and then circle the arms towards your knees and then back, extend out again. Circle and extend back again. If this is too challenging for you, you can keep your hands by your sides and just work the legs by extending and crunching inwards. So you're always able to modify each exercise here. Keep it going. Extend, reach forward, extend, reach forward. So bring your knees in. We're going to go into our single leg stretch. So pull your right knee in, your left leg extends. Inhale, 1, 2, exhale, 3, 4. Inhale, 1, 2, exhale, 3, 4. You want to match the movement of your breathing pattern here. Inhale, 1, 2, exhale, 3, 4. So reaching for that knee and ankle each time the knee comes into the chest. 1, 2, exhale, 3, 4. Keeping your head down will of course make this exercise easier. And bring the knees in for one last little crunch. Perfect. Now come all the way down. All right, come back down onto your back, open the knees into a reclined butterfly, and then lift your pelvis up so the soles of your feet are touching. And then you're just gonna lower the hips and butterfly. And then lift the hips back up for 1. So it's a different variation of a bridge lift. Lift it up for 2, good. So you're keeping your weight along the lateral side of your feet, so the pinky toe areas of your feet are pressing into the mat as you lift your hips up, squeeze your glutes. Come up for one last one. Perfect. Hold it here. Now reach the arms all the way down and then just close the knees and open for 1. Open for 2. So getting a little deeper into the inner thigh here, close and open. And open. Just make sure you keep those hips lifted above the ground. Keep reaching them up to the sky. Keep squeezing your glutes closer and closer. A little bit higher. Push the hips a little bit higher. Now pulse it out here. So pulse 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep breathing here. Inhaling and exhaling. 2, 3, 4. Tiny pulses here. 1, 2, 3. Slowly lower down onto your back, pulling both knees into the chest, and then take your rolling like a ball exercise. So roll to the shoulders and up to your seated, back down to shoulders and up. So finding that momentum, but at the same time engaging through your core center to not allow the toes to touch the ground as you come up. So keep holding onto those ankles or the knees to make it a little easier. Roll up to the shoulders. Perfect. Now let's hold that boat or Navasana. Lift your feet slightly, drop the shoulders away from the ears, hold it here, reach and extend those arms, engage the core, deep breathing, inhaling and exhaling, and let go. Alrighty, you're done. Awesome. Perfect, perfect, perfect. So go ahead and come over towards your left or your right side, it doesn't matter. Your inner arm hugs your body and the other hand presses into the floor as you come up and down. So we're in like a single arm push-up here. We're working into the tricep area now. So be pressing away from the earth and press and down. Come all the way down to the mat and then push into that front hand to lift yourself up. The other leg slightly lifts as you come down. You can make this a little bit more fun by engaging other parts of your body at the same time. Lift up, back down, lift up, and back down. Go ahead and release that inner arm, place it onto the mat. Come on up to your knee, other arm extends up to the sky. Now lift and kick the legs straight and lift 2 and 3 and 4. Remember to keep engaging your core here, so keep your body strong so you can keep your arm on your waist if that's easier, or reaching up to the sky. Perfect. Now let's hold it and let's pulse it out for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And lastly, we're gonna hold it one last time, one last hold. Breathing in and out here, keep holding. Perfect. Now lower down, let go, release. I know you're probably feeling that all in that outer thigh there. Now let's go ahead and switch to whichever side you didn't do. So again, wrapping your arm in the inside. Give yourself a big hug with that inner arm. Press the top hand into the mat and let's lift up into our tricep push-up for 1. Press up. Remember keeping that leg extended. Keep pushing into that hand. Feel that engagement through the tricep. Almost there. Keep going. Push up. Back down and up again. Up again. Breathe through it. Last one. Push up. Perfect. Now let's come on up to our knee. Extend that top arm up or onto your waist and let's kick that straight leg. 1, 2, engaging that core. Keep pulling that belly button into the spine. Core strong. Lift and lower the leg. From here, you can pulse it out or you can hold it. I will say this side is a little bit weaker for me, so I'm just gonna hold it, but you are more than welcome to pulse it if that feels good to you, or just keep holding and drop. Alrighty guys, we are done. Go ahead and push back into a child's pose. Toes together, knees wide apart, sitting back into your heels. Reach your arms forward and give yourself a moment of a big inhale and an even bigger exhale. So coming up, let's finish off with a deep breath and reaching both arms up to the sky, and then exhale, bringing your hands to your heart in gratitude for your wonderful practice today. And we're done. Congratulations, you have completed our 10-minute full body at home Pilates workout. I certainly hope that you guys enjoyed this workout as much as I enjoyed making it for you. I'm telling you, once you start doing Pilates, it's so hard to stop because Pilates is amazing for your posture, your balance, your flexibility, your spine, your core, your pelvic muscles. It's so, so good for your body. Anyways, I hope you guys love this video. Be sure to like the video, drop a comment, and of course, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.